Madam Peku dey here. You dey see where we dey like this. Ha. Now the new property wey Mercy Divine Properties they give out now is called the Orange Estate. This Orange Estate, it dey along one of the ring road wey then they construct for Port-Harcourt River State. And as it dey hot like this, you need to get your own property here. 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5 lands here in Orange Estate will do you a whole lot of good. It's an investment that you will never regret. So quickly call, and the number to call is 09034296519 to get your own plot here at Orange Estate. Okay, so call us and we go run am. You know how we dey do am now with Madam Peku. I dey wait for you.
Yeah, at Ring Road, Mercy Divine Properties, Orange Estate.
This is Orange Estate.
We are here at Ring Road, Orange Estate. All the way from Mercy Divine Properties. Welcome already.